Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Lisa Mateo. We're joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel. Now, Valerie, it looks like it's Take Private Monday. Why is that?
Yeah, look, we've had two, reported take private deals. One of them has been confirmed, and that's Soho House going private at $9 a share. We're seeing the likes of the share trade 16% higher to $8.88 a share. So very close to that $9 a share mark. The deal implies a total enterprise value for this private members club to $2.7 billion. Investors and key shareholders have actually been pushing for this move since late last year after the shares slumped after its IPO in 2021. It actually IPO'd at $14 a share, so still significantly under that IPO price back in 2021. Right. Apollo Global Management was central to the deal, according to people familiar with the matter, as the Wall Street Journal is reporting, providing more than $700 million in equity and debt financing.
And the other one, Thoma Bravo.
Thoma Bravo, this is the buyout firm, is planning to take software firm Dayforce private. This is a human resource management software provider. We're seeing the likes of the share jump nearly 29% in pre-market trade. The deal could be announced as soon as the coming weeks, according to sources speaking to Bloomberg. Dayforce is down about 60% since its 2021 highs. And while the company has increased its revenue and become profitable, the enterprise software market has been very difficult to navigate since COVID. It was valued at $8.4 billion as of Friday's close and is adding to that pretty significantly so far this morning. Dayforce up 29% on a report of a take private by Thoma Bravo.
All right. So another trend you're seeing, FDA approvals. They're pushing up gains in some pharmaceutical companies.
Yeah, the big one being Novo Nordisk, up 3% in pre-market trade on FDA approval for liver disease. This would be using the company's blockbuster weight loss drug Wegovy, getting approval to treat a serious form of liver disease. And the important thing about this is they are now beating their rival Eli Lilly to the U.S. market to treat liver disease. Now, using Wegovy can help treat scar tissue on the liver, with the drug reversing some liver damage. And after a tough start to the year, this is a welcome upside surprise for Novo Nordisk. This is the actually second positive catalyst for the Danish pharma company this month. That comes after its main rival, Eli Lilly's weight loss pill, showed some weakness around its efficacy in a clinical trial earlier. So that's Novo Nordisk up 3% so far this morning.
All right, Valerie, I'm going to need your help on this one. Is it Tonix Pharma? Explain.
Tonix Pharma. Now, this is another catalyst of an FDA approval for its fibromyalgia drug. This is the move in the pre-market this morning. It's up 12%, Lisa, following a trading halt ahead of this announcement on Friday. The drug is expected to be available in the fourth quarter, and the shares are liking this news of the FDA approval. That's Tonix Pharma up 12% so far in pre-market.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.